In this video, I'll show you how to buy an Adobe subscription with a student discount. First, open your browser and go to the Adobe Creative Cloud Plans and Pricing page. Once you are there, click on the Students and Teachers tab. This is where the discounted plans are listed. Select the Creative Cloud All Apps plan. This is the main plan that qualifies for the student discount, which can save you up to 70% off the regular price. Now click on Buy Now. During the checkout process, you will be asked to enter your school-issued email address. This is usually an EDU or K-12 email. Adobe uses this to instantly verify your student status. If you do not have a school email address, do not worry. You can still verify your eligibility by uploading proof of enrollment. This can be a school ID card, a report card, a transcript, or a tuition bill dated within the last 6 months. Once your student status is verified, choose your billing option. You can either pay monthly or choose an annual prepaid plan for a lower overall cost. Both options typically require a 1-year commitment. Fill in your payment details and complete the purchase. Your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription will then be activated, and you can start downloading the app straight away. To be eligible, you must be at least 13 years old and enrolled in an accredited school, whether that is a university, college, primary school, secondary school, or homeschool. That is how you do it.